Alright, so guys, this is the update I'm talking about here. You can make money freely here. Okay, without investing, you can make money freely. That you use those money to invest. Alright, so this is it. You get 2,000 naira on everybody you invite that use your. You don't need to invest. Once you use your link to register, you are liable to 2,000 naira. And also, don't forget, okay, to join the Telegram link. Join the Telegram link and invest inside and get to know what they are doing inside the Telegram link. Okay, guess what they are doing inside the Telegram link. All right, so let's move on. This is where the real money is. All right, so once you register, okay, so doing your registration, let me show you the process you pass through when you are doing your registration. Okay, so this is the registration channel. Once you get to this thing, there's the link. I've dropped the link already. Once you get there, put your mobile number. Okay, put your mobile number. Put your password. So this verification, once you press the verification, the send. Okay, you have to input your number. Listen carefully, please. Once you press the send, it will take you to a captcha level where you are going to do some captcha. Okay, captcha is to put words for you to type. All right, so you type those words. Okay, once you type those words, automatically it will log you in. If you did not log you in, okay, you can just say click on the customer service. Once you click on it, it should log you in. All right, so once you put the captcha there, press your password, just send. Okay, the captcha is a verification code. It will connect and register you in immediately. So once you have registered, all right, so once you have registered, this is the let me log in here. So this is the way your account will be. So once your account is like this, can you see? So let me just see the project they have. This one will be a long-term project because looking at it, most of the investments I've seen, okay, they will entice you with interest. I love this super interest, very moderate. Can you see? 60 naira on 10,000 naira daily. 60 naira on 10,000 naira. They are going to run it for 100 days. 60 times 100, that should be, is that 60? Is that 60,000 or so? I don't know math. All right, so 350 also. I say 350 for 50,000 naira. So their interest is not that enticing. That is why they will be a long-term project. So if you want to invest in it, you don't need to recharge. And if you want to make your work faster, you can recharge. If you just refer people that you refer is enough for you to recharge. Okay, I have 6,400 naira. Once the money is 10,000 naira, I will recharge. Okay, or I wait till the money is 50,000. It will be 50,000 now today. Okay, I will recharge. So it's very easy. All right, if you want to recharge, very simple. If you want to recharge, okay, just click on recharge. All right, so you can any amount you have, you may want to top it up. Yeah, they allow it. You can top it up like this is 6 4. If I want to top it up, I can just say 4,000 naira. All right, you click on transfer, you click on next. Okay, they will generate an account for you to make payment. They will generate an account for you. Can you see that? And the time lapse, you can see the time. So you have to make payment and you have to click I have made payment. So once you have done that, okay, your money will reflect immediately. If the money did not reflect, can you see online? This is online customer care. You can talk to their online customer care. Don't forget to join their Telegram group. That is all. How to withdraw. When you want to withdraw, click on withdraw. Please select your wallet, bind your wallet. Okay, let me bind my wallet. Let me bind my fill your bank details. Okay, my bank details. Let me see PalmPay. Is PalmPay there? Okay, PalmPay. Okay, let me enter my PalmPay name. Okay, account number 8165058222. All right, so I'm sure it has been binded. What happened? Let me see. It has been binded already. Okay, so you bind this. Once you bind it, it will bind. So just wasting my time. It will bind anytime you want to make payment. You click on that binded account. That is how to withdraw your money. So it is very easy. You don't need to invest before you make money here. Just try and refer people that can give you. Those people you are referring, they don't need to pay you. They don't need to pay into it. Okay. So as you are inviting people, there's a monthly payment for you. I have 4 invites already. When the 4 invite click, I'll be collecting 30,000 every month. If you invite 50 people, 200,000 every month. If you invite 3 people, if you invite 500 people, 500,000 every month. That is so huge. Okay, that is so huge. Okay, so let's make money from this site, and just try any money you try to invest. You want everybody to be an investor, all right? But you don't need to put money inside. Those people you refer, use their money to invest. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's make more money together.